This video aims to educate you. Remember, never share your login details, passwords, or other sensitive data online. This applies to websites, apps, and even in comment sections. For your safety, be cautious of anyone asking for personal information, even if they claim to be from a trusted source. If unsure, contact the official website or organization directly to verify. By staying vigilant, you can protect yourself and enjoy the educational content you love. For more educational videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.